Hi guys, today we're going to do something a little bit different. If you don't know, other than making videos online, I'm actually also a freelance makeup artist. I was invited by the Online Makeup Academy to review their program and try out one of their courses. So they're an online school that offers professional makeup artist and hair training. So if you want to become a makeup artist, or if you've been thinking about it, or you're just a makeup fanatic and you want to train for yourself, you'll want to stick around for this video. I'm going to be taking you through the courses and certifications that they offer, and if this would be the training avenue that's right for you. I have experience studying in a physical makeup school, so I have a lot of thoughts in how the Online Makeup Academy compares. So let me tell you a little bit about the school itself. So they are taught by New York industry professionals, and their goal is to provide high quality online makeup artistry education. So I'll take you through the courses that they offer. They have the Master Makeup Program, which is your full makeup artist training. You're learning all the fundamentals, learning about bridal, mature makeup, airbrush, skincare. Next, you have the Advanced Makeup course, which is what I took. And here you're going to learn about high fashion, creative, editorial makeup. You get to do portfolio building, learn about branding, business, marketing. The next program is called the Elite Career Path, which is a combination of the master program and the advanced makeup course. You also receive a full professional makeup kit and 2 certificates. The makeup kit is not included with the master program or the advanced program. You have to purchase it separately. And then you have the special effects program. So if you're interested in getting into film and TV makeup, this is the one for you. And in this program, you do receive a full kit and you get to work with prosthetics as well. And last is the Pro Hairstyling course. You're going to be learning about bridal hair, braids and updos, safety and hygiene, and you receive a full hair kit. So the first thing that I have to mention is what an amazing value the programs are for how much you're getting. Their price range for each program ranges anywhere from like $800 to $1,500. If you want to purchase the kit, it's around $700, or you can choose to build your own kit, I believe. And they offer you the option to finance and break up your payments as well, which is amazing. Their Pro Makeup Kit includes high-end professional brands like Makeup Forever and Inglot. I also love that they updated their makeup kit. I recently just noticed this because they were using the old Makeup Forever products, as a lot of schools do. But as you know, Makeup Forever has recently come out with a bunch of new stuff. They updated their foundation formulations. So the school has also updated their kit with the new products. So I love this next part. You get unlimited time to complete the course, but most people can complete it within like a month or 2. They really wanted to make this a very flexible program for everyone of different backgrounds, different lifestyles, which is fantastic because if you guys don't know, I'm a mom and we're also growing our family here. So my availability doesn't really line up with a normal school schedule. So when I was in a physical makeup school, my program actually ended up being permanently shut down from just strains of COVID times. Just as I was near the end, I wasn't able to complete my course and get the certification. So now having this as an option where I get to do this from home on my own time, take as much time as I need, it's been amazingly helpful. Now, I actually haven't had a chance to complete all the assignments, which means I haven't actually finished the program, but I did go through all the lessons for you guys and completed 1 assignment to submit so I could give you guys a clear view of what the experience is like. So other than having unlimited time to finish the program, you get lifetime access to post-grad mentorship and support. You also do get 21 days to decide if you are happy with the course or request a refund, not including a refund for the makeup kits because that would be very unsanitary. And last but not least, one of the best parts about being a makeup artist, once you finish your certification, you are then able to get your Pro Card benefits for up to 40% off of professional makeup brands with their partners in Friends and Nigel's Beauty, which are 2 of the biggest online makeup suppliers for professional makeup artists. And the great thing is once you get access to these, you're able to use your certification and your current Pro Cards to be able to apply for Pro Cards and discounts at other makeup brands. So now on to the courses themselves. If you have no makeup experience or knowledge, or even if you do, I would definitely recommend the master course, which takes you through all the fundamentals. So when I initially went into makeup school, I was already working as a makeup artist for 2 years, and I cannot tell you how much I learned. Now, if you're starting off really young, like you're 18 or 20, It's not as big of a deal because you have a lot of time to do the trial and error thing and spend years building up your craft. I started my career in freelancing later on, like in my late 20s. So I didn't actually want to spend years figuring it out. I wanted to get all the fundamentals and everything that I need to know set in place so I could start providing excellent service. It's really important to have the foundations if you want to be a professional makeup artist, and it's a huge benefit to get it all in one place. What I actually noticed about the online makeup academy is they covered so many topics that even my in-person makeup school didn't go through. One of the hangups that I actually had about makeup school, and I heard this through my other friends who went into makeup schools as well, is they really didn't come out prepared for the real world and for running your own business, which is what being a makeup artist is. But the online makeup academy impressively goes through a lot of detail to ensure that you know everything that you need to know as an artist with your craft, but also as someone learning the business. So I chose to do the advanced makeup course as I had already been working as a freelance makeup artist. So I'm actually going to take you through what having access to the online makeup program looks like. So when you've enrolled into the program, you receive an introduction email that tells you how to log in and give you all that information. So when you log in, you have your entire program, your modules, your lessons and assignments all there. Every single lesson is done as a video format, so you can watch the video. And I love this part. Each video also has a written breakdown of everything that was discussed in the video. And I find that especially helpful because when I watch a video for the first time, maybe I don't want to spend time going back and looking through it again. And they've offered you all the notes down below of everything that was important. And then at the end of the video, there's a section where you can comment and interact with other students, or comment to be able to ask questions and get answers from the instructors. Within the modules, you'll also find your homework and assignment pages, and there's a link where you can actually upload your assignments. The assignments are essentially the looks that they take you through, and you have to recreate them, obviously with your own artistic flair. And then when you scroll to the bottom, there's a checklist for you to make sure that you have everything that you need, that you've submitted all the right assignments. And then beyond that, you also have all these bonus classes and workshops, which is amazing. Like, if you look through it, it's endless, and so many different important topics to learn about the industry, about makeup application, and they're always posting new videos here. Like, as you can see, I have already finished all the lessons, not including all the assignments, but I've only covered about 30% of the content, and the rest are just all these bonus workshops that I can still take the time to go through. Like, there's stuff here and topics that I'm still learning from, and I've been in the industry for 4 or 5 years. So in each program you get assigned the main instructor. Mine was Paulina. One of the parts that I love about what they offer on this online program are these instructional videos. The thing I really disliked about being in a physical makeup school is being in a classroom with a bunch of other students, and sometimes you don't get to be up close to see the instruction and the demo of the makeup application. You're not really getting that one-on-one and the attention that you need. But these video demos online are up close and so clear, and the instructors take their time. And if you feel like you want to speed through it, you can do exactly that. You can speed up the timing of the video so you can listen to it faster and go at your own pace. Now, because I didn't take the fundamentals course, the instruction videos didn't take a ton of time breaking down every single application method. By that, I mean like in depth, just like how you would have it in school. If you were to go into like grade 12 math, you would have had to have known your fundamentals and done grade 10, 11, etc. This is why I recommend that if you don't have a lot of makeup experience, that you do the fundamentals course and get those foundations and application techniques down. But other than that, the instruction videos were very clear, very straightforward. I love that every single model that they work on are so different. They have different skin tones, different skin types and face shapes, and the makeup application is beautiful. The instructors are very good at what they do. But especially for things like high fashion and creative makeup, where it's a little bit out there, it can look a little bit strange seeing it in video or if you were in person. But knowing what each style is for helps you to imagine how the makeup would translate into each environment. Like at the end of each makeup demo, they'll have had a photographer to do a professional shoot of the look that they've done to show you what it would look like in the environment that they're supposed to be in. And pretty much every time they look so stunning. I personally love the runway look. That one was my favorite. But yeah, being able to watch the instructions over and over and not feel rushed and not feel like you're trying to divide your attention with a whole bunch of other students, with your instructor, that to me was really, really helpful because I was just able to sit down in my quiet time and focus as I needed to. And in some of the instructions, you get to see some really stunning creative hair looks as well. So the one thing that I have to emphasize, whether you're in a physical makeup school or doing the online makeup school, it's the same principle. You have to practice. You have to spend time doing the practical work because that's the only way that you get better. The theory is going to give you the knowledge, but the practice is what's going to make you a great and amazing makeup artist. It's also going to give you the opportunity to discover your own style and methods instead of your work being like a carbon copy of makeup school instructors, which is why, again, it's so helpful with the online course because you can go back and watch the demos as many times as you need. Additionally, you can also submit your assignments as many times as you need. You can create them as many times as you want and make them better each time and receive feedback from the instructors every single time. So I'm going to show you guys the assignment that I submitted. I decided to go for the Indian bridal cut crease look. This is a look that I've been wanting to do for a really long time, and I thought this was a fantastic opportunity. Cut crease is something that I haven't really done a lot of, so this was really fun for me to do. So their demo video was really helpful. I did switch up the method and the finished look a little bit just to do it in my own style. And then I submitted the video through the online submission form. You also have to print out a submission form so you can take a photo of you holding the form in person, I think just to ensure that you're not forging your work or anything. And then once you've submitted your work, you get a video response with feedback from one of the instructors, breaking down what you did well, where you can do a little bit of work, giving you advice on how to improve. And there were definitely areas that I needed improvement. And it was great because she was very encouraging and compassionate, but also honest about where I needed the work. And it was actually really helpful. And there were things that I missed that I needed to fix. Another part that I loved about this program was the amount of material that they have on building this as a business and marketing. Like I said, this is one of the things that was very lacking in makeup school for me and for friends who've been to other makeup schools. And especially now in a time where we rely so much on social media to build our businesses. I find sometimes physical schools are so outdated in that information and lagging behind. So everything that I learned about business and social media as a makeup artist through this program, it was very straightforward. I've had to do my own research and learning when I was growing as a freelancer about social media and all these topics, and it was really, really overwhelming because there's endless information and learning about algorithms and all this stuff that's super confusing. But their program makes it very straightforward, very simple. There's not too much, but there's just enough that you understand what you have to do. And the information is also very, very relevant because we know that social media and marketing and how everything works is constantly changing every year. So I love that what they teach you is relevant to what is important now. The best part about this course is that they get you set up to be a business. So part of your assignments is setting up your business, portfolio, and getting your business cards done. And they offer you so much support to get started in the industry. So I want to talk about the instructor who takes you through the whole business and working in the industry. Her name is Mariana Bull, and you'll be incredibly impressed by her experience, her work in New York and in the industry. And it was just amazing to hear about all her experience and also how real she is about the effort that it takes, that it's not just like some entry-level job you get into and you're offered this job, you have to do the work. And she puts a lot of emphasis on this being a business and an entrepreneurship, and you're not just going to be handed jobs. She talks about how it takes motivation and positivity to keep building your work and your career as a makeup artist, and how you make connections in the industry. She has amazing stories and advice on how to give really good customer service, because at the end of the day, that's what we're offering. Is we're offering a customer service, and how to be professional and how to also be a very personable artist, because this is going to get you further than just talent. She talks about how to have a successful mindset and how to have high standards, and how that's going to get you noticed and help you build those connections in the industry. So other than that, again, you have lifetime access to continued membership, and then all of these workshops that are not in your course that you can keep learning from. They're also the only online school that offers personal video feedback and one-on-one interaction with your instructors. And this is so important because this is also something that you don't always get going to a makeup school in person. So the question a lot of you might have is, do you really need to go to makeup school, or do you really need this online makeup school? The answer is it depends entirely on you and your goals. If you feel like you have the time and you want to explore and do the trial and error thing, that is totally valid, and that might be something that's adventurous and fun for you to do, and you want to be out there learning. A lot of artists have done it this way, and they're self-taught and they're incredibly talented. Once again, it takes your personal dedication and your own time doing the work to make sure that you become a great makeup artist. But if you're someone who just wants to get in and learn everything right then and there, and you want all the information, you want all the knowledge, then yes, makeup school is an amazing option. And I have to admit, I actually really enjoyed the online makeup academy, and I preferred it over my makeup school that I went to. I'm thoroughly impressed by how comprehensive the online academy is. I honestly really doubted it to start because I thought that it was just going to be an online copy of some of these makeup schools that just take your money and don't prepare you for the real world of working as a makeup artist. But literally for a fraction of what it costs to go to makeup school, you get all the training and mentorship during and after your program is done, and actual personalized support on your education and your work. So I'm so grateful that the Online Makeup Academy reached out and offered me the opportunity to go through their program. I learned so much, and even as a busy mom, I found time in my downtime or at night, whatever, to go through all the course material. And it's been about 2 months since I started. I'm really excited to spend the next little bit finishing up my assignments and completing my certification, which I'm really excited for because I couldn't finish it with my previous program due to COVID. But yeah, it's amazing to see the options that you have now as aspiring artists, and that you can receive such high quality education online at such an affordable price. But I hope that was a thorough review and it was helpful and informative for you. But if you feel like I missed anything, do leave a comment down below and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. So in the description box below, I have added a link to the Online Makeup Academy so you can check out their courses and their registration and how everything works. And Online Makeup Academy has offered me a very generous discount code for anyone who's interested in taking their courses. With this code, you'll be able to receive $100 off the entire cost of the program that you choose. So I will leave those links in the description box down below. And again, if you have any questions, please leave them down below for me as well. And until next time, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your week. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys again very soon. Bye.